Want to make money online? Find someone who's making money online and do exactly the same thing. Yes, I'm saying copying them. Obviously, you're not one-on-one copying them, but do exactly what they're doing. Because if they're making money online, that means that there's a need and a market for that thing. And if you do exactly the same thing, then you can also make money. It's not about trying to invent the wheel over and over again. That's actually just stupid. Because if you try to invent a new thing or a new market, the chances are that it's not needed or wanted in the market is very, very high. Because there's probably other people who actually did try to do that new thing that you may think there's a need for. And they didn't succeed because the market doesn't want it. And if the market wants it, or if you really want to try to break through in the market and you're sure there's a need for this new thing, it takes millions of dollars to bring a new thing into the market. Just look at just a simple thing when Coca-Cola has maybe Coca-Cola with lime taste or something like that. They spend millions of dollars marketing that thing just for that small change that it has lemon in it. So if you don't have millions of dollars to market that thing, and they did lots of research on it to make sure that they were pretty sure that it would be a thing that people would want, then if you don't have millions to do that, do research and marketing, then just do what works. Do what other people are doing that is working. Make sure that you're only copying people who are actually making money. This is what big companies are doing as well. Like for instance, let's take short form content. That started with Twitter or Vine or something like that. That started with short form content, and then all the other online platforms, they copied them. YouTube made shorts, Instagram made reels, Facebook made reels, and TikTok is using short form content. So the smartest thing is to copy what works and don't try to invent the wheel. Give me a like, follow, subscribe.